Roomy, rugged, rolling. You'll get all that and more from the entire line of Ironton tool carts. Take this 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. Hold more than 15,000 cubic inches and up to 700 pounds of equipment. 50 pounds in each durable steel drawer. Hold up to 100 pounds in the large drawer with powder coat finish. Easily slide drawers open on the smooth rolling ball bearing slides. Keep it all safe with the internal keyed locking system and 2 keys. Roll the entire cart smoothly on 4 5-inch by 2-inch casters, including 2 swivels with a lock. Hold up to 700 pounds of equipment in this 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart from Ironton. Only at Northern Tool.